Hello and welcome to our video on powerful body language. Did you know that 93% of communication is nonverbal? That means that the way we present ourselves, our body language, is just as important as the words we use when communicating with others. In this video, we'll explore how body language can impact our interactions and relationships, and provide you with tips on how to use it to your advantage. Whether you're looking to improve your communication skills in your personal or professional life, mastering body language can help you convey your message with confidence and impact. So, let's get started. Body posture is key. First and foremost, posture is key. Standing up straight and tall with your shoulders back not only makes you look more confident, but it also makes you feel more confident. When you walk into a room with good posture, people will take notice and view you as someone who is self-assured. Eye contact. Eye contact is another crucial aspect of body language. When you maintain good eye contact with someone, you show them that you are engaged and interested in what they have to say. It's also a sign of confidence and authority. On the other hand, avoiding eye contact can make you appear nervous or untrustworthy. Smile. A smile is a powerful tool in communication. When you smile, it not only makes you feel happier, but it also puts others at ease. Smiling can also convey warmth, friendliness, and approachability, making it easier for others to connect with you. Gestures. Using gestures while you speak can also enhance your communication. For example, using your hands to emphasize a point or nodding your head in agreement can show that you are engaged and enthusiastic about the conversation. However, be mindful of over-gesturing, as it can become distracting or even offensive. Mirroring. Mirroring is the act of mimicking someone's body language to establish rapport and build a connection. This technique can be especially useful in business or social situations where you want to make a good impression. Just be sure to mirror subtly and not to come across as insincere. Space and proximity. Another important aspect of body language is space and proximity. The distance between you and the person you are communicating with can affect the level of intimacy, power dynamics, and overall comfort of the interaction. For instance, standing too close to someone can make them feel uncomfortable, while standing too far away can make them feel distant. Be aware of your personal space and adjust accordingly based on the situation and the person you are interacting with. Tone of voice. The tone of your voice can also convey a lot about your emotions and intentions. A monotonous or robotic tone can make you come across as disinterested or unengaged, while a warm and lively tone can make you sound more approachable and enthusiastic. Pay attention to the tone of your voice and practice varying it to match the context and message you want to convey. Power poses. Have you ever heard of power poses? They are certain postures that can boost your confidence and make you feel more powerful. For example, standing with your feet apart and your hands on your hips, also known as the Wonder Woman pose, can increase your testosterone levels and decrease your cortisol levels, making you feel more assertive and less stressed. Try practicing power poses before an important meeting or presentation to boost your confidence. Micro-expressions. Micro-expressions are subtle facial expressions that occur within a fraction of a second and reveal our true emotions, even if we try to hide them. These expressions can be difficult to spot, but with practice, you can learn to read them and use them to your advantage. For instance, if you notice someone making a micro-expression of disgust or disapproval, you can adjust your message or behavior accordingly. Open body language. Open body language is a key element in creating a positive first impression. It involves keeping your arms and legs uncrossed, facing the person you're talking to, and avoiding any defensive gestures like touching your face or fidgeting. This type of body language can convey that you're open, friendly, and approachable. Nodding and active listening. Another powerful tool in building trust with others is nodding and active listening. When someone is speaking to you, nodding your head occasionally and giving verbal cues like "I see" or "interesting" can show that you're engaged and listening attentively. This type of body language can create a positive impression and make the other person feel valued and respected. Lean in. Leaning in slightly towards the person you're speaking to can also convey interest and engagement. This body language technique can create a sense of intimacy and connection, especially in one-on-one conversations. However, be careful not to invade the other person's personal space or make them feel uncomfortable. Thank you for watching our video on powerful body language. We hope you found these tips helpful in improving your communication skills and building stronger relationships with others. Remember, the way we present ourselves through our body language can have a significant impact on how others perceive us and the success of our interactions. By being mindful of our body language and making small adjustments, we can create a positive impression and convey our message with confidence and impact. If you have any additional tips or questions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on personal development and communication skills. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.